Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am coming on to make a tutorial for the mini alphabet punch board. We're going to make the interlocking heart, and it does this when you're finished. Okay, so what we're going to do is make a bigger interlocking heart, and what you'll need is a card strip cut at 12 inches long by 2.5 inches wide. Okay, 2.5 inches wide. So on the left side, you will take your ruler, I have the small little ruler, and give it a mark 1 inches in on the left side. Okay, and that's on the short side at the 2.5 inch mark. Okay, so right here I am marking 1 inches, and that's at the top. At the bottom, I am going to mark 1.25 inch. 1.25 inch. That's right about here with my pencil. Okay, then I'm going to put a letter B right here, so I know that this is the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut from point to point with my punch board. Then I'm going to go on the right side, and I'm going to mark at the 1 inch mark again from the top on this side, and give it a little mark, a tick mark right here. And then I'm going to measure 1.25 inch in, and give it a little tick mark right here, so I know to cut from point to point, and I'm going to mark this with a letter B. Okay, so this will be one side, and this will be one side that we're going to cut on. See if I can zoom out just a little bit. Alright, this is a long strip. Okay, so this is a side, and this is a side. You also need an extra pair of scissors because this is a small board and it doesn't cut all the way. So I'm going to take my little strip here and line it up at the 1/2 inch mark. There's a little half right here, and line this up on the little cut line from point to point. And lock this in and give it a cut. And because it doesn't cut all the way, I'm just going to finish cutting with my scissors. Okay, then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side and line this up from point to point. And give this a cut. And then I'm going to finish trimming right here. Alright, so that's what I have so far. Okay, so this is how the sides look. Now, this will fit exactly in this little corner here. So when you line it up with the punch, just give it a punch like this. And this is what you have on this side. Then you flip it over, and then we're going to line it up in this little corner and give it another punch again. on the other side. Okay, so this side has this punch and this side has this punch. Okay, so next what you want to do is slide this in all the way in and punch. This is what you'll get when it comes out. What you'll do then is slide it in again and give it another punch. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. This one you'll do the exact same thing. Slide it in. And then slide it in again. Okay, so this is what you have so far for both sides. Okay, next what you will do is mark your paper about 1 1/4 inch in on this side. Oh, I'm out of frame. I'm so sorry. See if I can zoom out. I took a ruler and I drew a line right here on this side, and then I'm going to draw a line right here, 1 1/4 inch in on this side. Like that. Okay. Such a tiny space. Let me see if I can zoom out some more. Okay. Alright. Next you're going to take your scissors and cut in that way, like that. And then you're going to also cut into the paper on that side, like that. So then when you take the folds and lock it together, it locks perfectly. And you can fold it down, and there is your interlocking heart. Or you can press it down with a bone folder. See if I have a bone folder nearby. Guess I'll use my ruler. There you go. Interlocking heart. So I hope this was easy for you to do. And there you have it. Ready to go on cards or what have you. So take care everyone and have a fabulous day.